This solo leveling system in real life makes hard work feel effortless, makes you achieve your goals as easily as playing a video game. When you get this template, you'll find the system with clear different sections. I recommend using this dashboard feature when you are using it on your PC, as it shows all the pages in one view on your screen. While when you are using your mobile, you can just click on each page to navigate within Notion. Don't worry, the data on the mobile version is synced with the desktop version, so if you do any changes on the mobile, you can also see it on the desktop version. Now let's first click on Get Started. When we open this, you will see Create Your Account page. Step 1, enter your character's name and upload your picture. I have also written the optimal dimensions, but you can choose any dimension of the image that suits you, then moving on to class and subclass. The classes in this level life system is like areas of life you are leveling up. Like different areas or categories of life, simply create your classes here. Also, this is completely synced everywhere. Now this page is just for first-time setup. Let's see all the features in the dashboard section. Here you will be able to access all features in a single window. On the left you have your status window, showing you profile picture. Like here, I have put this as my profile picture. You can add anything you want. Then here you will see your name, tier, rank, level, experience points, and gold balance. In the center you have your class and subclass system for different areas of life. Like I explained earlier, a class is like a category of your life, and you can add subclasses inside each class as well. Everything is fully customizable, and then after this you have the quest board, where you just create quests and then complete them, earning experience points and gold balance, which you can then use in this marketplace. This level life system is literally a real-life solo leveling system. It is a cheat tool that you can use to just achieve your goals effortlessly. The truth is, in video games you get instant validation for your efforts, immediate reward. In real life, you study for 2 hours. Well, nothing happened, just vague sensation of you got something done. You work hard and finally post that video or start your business and you get like 0 sales, which basically makes you lose all motivation, while in video games you are a grandmaster and can grind for hours straight, because most of the people who are addicted to video games are just different. Their brain works differently, which needs them to get immediate reward for their efforts. It looks like a curse, but is actually a blessing in disguise. Level Life utilizes this very thing and gives you instant reward for the efforts you make in real life. Complete your quest and you earn experience points and gold. Leveling up your character, you can save up gold to buy real-life rewards, and the cool thing, everything is fully customizable and unrestricted. Create your character, add your profile pic, create unlimited classes and even subclasses, create and complete quests to earn EXP and gold, as many as you want by the way, then level up and buy rewards. Get Level Life today and unlock your progression drive. Link in pinned comment or description.